So traders, on today's video we are going to continue from where we left off on gold, which was on Q2. As you guys have already saw the thumbnail, you guys can clearly get the picture and understand that I will be showing to you guys and sharing to you guys possible insight on gold for Q3, and I'll be using the weekly time frame like I did on Q1 and on Q2. But before we start the video, make sure you like on the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video, click that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. And as you guys are well aware, the TOT Academy has a 50% discount in our 2-day in-person mentorship course. So I've left my Telegram link, I've left my Instagram link, and I've left my phone number. So you can choose whatever source that you want to communicate with to me, so I can come to you, give you all the gems and all the knowledge that you need so you can capitalize independently throughout your forex life. But I just want to share to you guys possible directions and update you guys into what the market have been looking on gold and what they might possibly look forward into, right? So as you guys can clearly understand that our structure on gold, price has been bullish, and our behavior, price has been moving in high highs and in high lows, and our patterns have also been bullish. That makes it easy for you guys to understand that gold is in a strong bullish structure, right? But when we now can clearly see that price is now in a range, right? Price has printed out highs and price has printed out lows, and with that nature, you guys can clearly understand price is holding highs, price is holding lows, right? And from a push in a range, you guys know that I always talk about this, right? With price having highs, price having lows, and price having highs, and price holding a range after an impulsive push to the upside. In most cases, if price is a push in a range, there's a high possibility that price will continue moving to the upside with the direction that price is being on, because in most cases, if price is holding a range after an impulsive push, if price is holding a range of highs and lows after an impulsive push to the upside, there's a high chance that with this range price might have a push to the upside. But at the same time, there's also a greater chance that with a push in a range, price might have a move to the downside, because a range of highs and lows, it's only based on price having to gather momentum, right? So either move to the upside if your structure is bullish, or to reverse to the downside if your structure is bullish. Do you guys get that? So gold on Q3, I just won't say much, but I want to make you guys be mindful of a few things. Price is holding a range after an impulsive push to the upside, and with the range that price is holding, there's a higher possibility that price might break above our current highs, looking forward to new possible highs. But at the same time, there's also a high possibility that price might give us a break, price might give us a break below or break over for our lows, looking for the possible reversal to the downside. We're also just not sure of it. But I want to make you guys understand that Q3, we're going to play the waiting game, and the waiting game will be based on us having to understand that is price going to close above our highs so we can look for possible new highs, or is price going to break below our lows so we can look for that reversal to the downside? We just don't know. That's why I keep it the way I keep it to you guys on Q3 with gold. Do you guys get that? So we just won't say much or do much, but you guys can clearly understand and get the picture for yourselves that price is holding a range, right? And with price holding a range, there are two takes that we anticipate: a break above our highs, anticipating possible new highs, or a break below our lows, anticipating that reversal to the downside. That's what we're gonna be looking forward to on Q3 on gold. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, I've shared enough and I've said enough. There's nothing else that I can talk about or share to you guys. If there is something that you see that you feel like I didn't talk about, please leave a comment down below so you and I can have a session privately. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, like the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video, click that link to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend, and to far most importantly, click that subscribe button so you can be notified every time we drop fire and educational videos. Are you guys mindful of that. But without further ado, this is your boy Harlem, King COT, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next educational video.